Evaluation of limits. Now, there is a lot of, how will I say, well, maybe not a lot of approach, but there can be different approach to evaluation of the limits. I am trying to make it as easy as possible with as little information to cram and remember. So let's see. So in this question, we are given a function. The function is about the speed of a skydiver jumping from the plane. And that's our value of y, where x is time in seconds. In this case, is t. So in this part, we have to find the terminal velocity of the skydiver. And even if we are not sure what they are saying here, terminal velocity of the skydiver, they are saying that is, they are telling you what you need to do. Find the value of. So we need to evaluate that limit. So what does that mean? That means as t, that t here gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So how do we do that? Well, we're going to use our calculator. So we take our function and we start replacing. Let's say first we do it with 1. So we replace our variable with 1. We put it in the calculator. We press equal and we are getting a value. In this case, 9.77. Then let's jump. Let's do 10. So we put 10. Now, the reason why I'm not jumping big numbers, because your calculator have a limit when it comes to e to power, and that limit, I think is 231, somewhere there. That's the highest it can go. Okay, then the next one. So I'm doing 10. So that I'm getting 46.69. I'm saying okay. Then let's do 100. Let's see what will happen. And look, it's a quick on your calculator because you put it once, you just go back and change the value of that t here. So once we put 100, we get 53.99999. I'm saying, okay, let's go again, 150 this time. So 54, 1 minus, and again, we put 150. So here we are getting 54. When you're going to replace that t with, we go again, 200, and then we go again, 230. Every time we're going to get 54. So we can see as that t is increasing, that means the number keeps coming back as 54. So that means the evaluation of that limit is 54. So what I'm saying is when you have a limit to do like that in your exam, what you do, you replace the variable, the letter, with different values. Yeah, here, like I'm saying, because it's e to power, I didn't do the big jumps, but you can jump of 1, 10, 10,000, I don't know, 100,000. You can do any jump you want so that you can see the pattern. And we could see that pattern from already 100, that was 54, 150, 54, 254, 230, 54. So we know that the overall, the bigger the t gets, the value of the overall calculation will be 54.